Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? I'm back, guys, on behalf of a new marketing tool I wanted to show you guys about. It's called Press One Cash. I'm super excited about it. It is a software, though, okay? It's an evergreen software, a texting software. In this case, this particular software is going to bring leads into you, okay? All you're going to need to do is promote and share your phone number, okay? And I'm on the page here so you can kind of see what you're getting with it. You get a phone number, you get 100 credits, okay? You get a website, you get a back office with it, and it's only 1,000 credits, guys. You get 1,000 credits for $10. Very reasonable. So let me first say, no, I'm still in SMS phone leads. SMS phone leads, I use it to send text messages out, 200 texts a day. Okay. With this one, I'm bringing leads into me. Okay. With this, with the Press One Cash. Okay. So let me flip over and show you some notes because I made some notes regarding this as well. This I am loving. Hang on a second. Okay. You're going to be able to, with this, guys, it allows you to generate leads daily, okay? Now, you're going to share your number, and when prospects call the number, it's a pre-recorded message. It's already recorded. That's what I like about this. You have a generic recorded message. It's already uploaded for you. You don't need to do anything with that, okay? They go to your website where they listen to the recording. If they like what they're hearing, they want more information, they'll press 1 and you'll have your link in there that you're promoting. So this is universal, doesn't matter what business you're promoting. Put whatever website you want in there, and when they press 1, it's going to text them back, okay? So this is totally compliant as well because they pressed 1. That's what I like about this. They pressed 1 in order to get your information. So now they become a lead. Once they dial your number, you have that number in your back office. Every number that calls your number is going to be in your back office. So it's like a caller ID situation, okay? Now, you're going to be able to make $200 with this. Not only use it as a tool, but it's an income stream. $200 per sale. It's a one-up. Your first sale goes up. Then after that, you're qualified. And it's $297. $200 plus 97 admin one time, $297. You can go check me out on this one at easymobilepay.com, okay? So again, doesn't matter what program you're promoting, this is going to be great for you. Now what I like about it is you have your genealogy tracking, so all your numbers in your back office, and you're going to be able to download these numbers and you're going to upload them into a bigger platform, because you're going to want to follow up with those people, okay? And the second part to it is going to be to follow up with them via bulk texting. Import those numbers into your SMS lead network system, okay? And you can go check that out at mobilemarketing.ws. It's a one-time fee for this of $197, but this is going to allow you to have that platform to build a list, because that's basically what you're doing. You know how you always hear people say you're building your list, your email list? Well, with Press One Cash, you're going to be building your mobile leads list. And these are fresh because you're building them yourself. You didn't have to buy them. You're getting them real time, okay? People are responding to your ad, and you're capturing that information because they're going into your back office automatically. You're going to download them and move them over to your SMS lead network. Okay, let me go over there real quick and show you that. Okay, and SMS lead network is also a software, guys, because you can also text as many to many leads as you want back here with this system. Okay, so it's a software as well. But what you're going to do is you're going to build that list with Press One. You're going to go over here and you're going to upload them over here in this system. Okay, so that's how they work. They actually work hand in hand. Okay, because you need to have somewhere to, you're going to have the number stored in your Press One, okay, but bulk texting, okay, otherwise you're going to have to manually follow up with these people, and this list is going to start getting bigger and bigger. So doing it manually is going to kind of be, it's going to be tedious, all right? So let me show you something else here real quick. I literally have been in here and started using this in less than 48 hours. So what happens is you receive an email every time someone dials your numbers. You can see right here, I've received 28 calls and 4 people actually have joined. They just haven't paid yet, so I followed up with those people. As you can see right here, 4. So this is already working, guys. I've put some ads out there, and people are calling this number like crazy. So this does work. Okay, this is going to be perfect for whatever business you want to promote. All right. Now we're in the back office, and I'm going to show you real quick. One thing about this system, it's already set up for you. The recorded message is already set up. All right. Now, if you want to just promote Press 1 Cash, your link is going to already be in this box. You won't even have to touch it. However, what I've done is I've purchased a domain and I put it there, but it's still going to the Press 1 system. Okay. So you don't even have to touch that if you want to promote Press 1 Cash. Right here, though, is where you're going to put how you want to receive your payments in this box. Okay, that's all you got to do in this system, guys. Put your information here, then go over to your profile and complete your name, email address. That's it. Your system is up and running, and everybody's going to hear the same generic message. Okay, everybody's going to hear that same message. So you're not going to have to worry about creating a message or anything like that. Now, if you want a special customized message, I'll refer you over to Paul and his information and get that done. Okay, we can get that over to you. Well, it's going to be in your back office, and he can do you a recorded message, something custom for you. But the generic message for me is working fine right now, so that's what I'm using. And that's what you want to use to get started. But you can always get your own customized message. Okay, so definitely Press 1 Cash is the way to go. It's a perfect way to promote your business and to make extra income on top of that. And let me just show you where the numbers are stored back there in your back office. Hang on. Okay, if you look right here, guys, it tells you whether someone hung up or they pressed 1. I'm only interested personally in the pressed 1. So right here it says download CSV file. That's all you would do. See, calls received. It's going to give you every phone number that dials your number. Okay, so the pressed 1s are the ones I'm interested in, but all I would do is hit download CSV, download it there, and then I would upload it into my SMS lead network system and send a bulk text message. Okay, and then as you can see right here, we have some training, training and resources. They have some ad copy back here too. Perfect for Craigslist ad, which we already have in our instant cash solution, so don't worry about ads, but they also list some back here as well. And I'm going to show you a page I created because I ran a solo ad, and I'll come back and show you some results from that as well. Okay, hang on a second. Okay, here's a page that I created in the Conversion Pros. I'll put the link below for that as well. Customize a page because there's no capture page with Press 1, right? So I want to run a solo ad. Okay, so I don't stop at one way of marketing. I'm always doing 2 or 3 different ways of marketing a product or service. Okay, so while I have Craigslist ads out going, I also have a solo ad that's running as well. Okay, so here's a page I created, and I just asked for the name and the email. Okay, and I'm going to send them over to my Press 1 Cash site, which you will get as well. It's a site. Let me show you that site. Okay, you're going to have the same site. It looks like this. Has your number on it, and then it has a few videos on it. These videos, it's very short, but to the point. This one is perfect. Shows you how to make $200. Just simply referring your number. Okay, put an ad out, guys. You're going to learn that in the Instant Cash Solution. Put an ad out, put your phone number on it, and watch people call that number and press 1 to hear what this is all about, because they want to make money. Who doesn't want to make extra income? Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm sending them to my Press 1 website. Okay, so that's how I'm using it. I probably will end up getting another one just to promote ICS, but that's what I'm doing. So let me show you here. Okay, I have 4 people. I'm not going to show you the names of the people, but right here as it says, see, they joined. They haven't paid, but 4 people from just the little bit that I've done in the last 24 hours, I've acquired 4 people. Okay, I've reached out to them, so they just need to pay. So this works, okay? This definitely works. Guys, this definitely works. You definitely want to get started with me in the Press 1 Cash system. This is going to really take your business over the top. This is going to be a great evergreen product for 2019 to help you promote whatever business you are, your primary business, okay? And who is it for? As it states, it's really for everybody, but it gives you some examples. Mortgage brokers, real estate agents, insurance agents, any business owner, okay, can use this system. And like I said, Craigslist ad, but don't stop at Craigslist, guys. Everybody get caught up on where they say Craigslist. Guess what? I have 100 places I can give you. You can post ads. I don't just use Craigslist, okay? So don't stop at Craigslist. Even solo ads, okay? So like it shows you right here, they give you a marketing phone number. People call and listen. They press 1. They receive a text back with your link. That's it. If they like what they hear, they're going to go to your website, whatever website you put in there, okay? For me, right now, I'm using the press 1. So they're going to be able to see, they're going to come to this page and see this makes sense. And remember, this is a software, okay? This is a software that anybody can use, okay? Everybody knows text message marketing is where it is right now. That's technology, okay? Everybody's carrying around a cell phone. No one leaves home without this, okay? And so when they get a message, they're going to look at it. And it just makes sense. Press 1. Listen to it. What is it about? And they're interested, because I wouldn't have received all these leads that I've already gotten, and for people that have actually filled out the information. Okay, so it definitely works. Okay, so I'm gonna put the link below for this system, and remember, get Instant Cash Solution so you can know how to place your ads, where to place your ads. Use that in conjunction with this. Okay. So this is really how I'm seeing it. This is how I'm doing it. Okay, I'm going to give you my experience. I have Instant Cash Solution. It teaches me how to place ads and that type of thing, as far as classified ads. And then I have this system that's going to text for the Press 1 system. And then I have SMS phone leads, where I can import all those phone numbers that I'm receiving from Press 1. Every time someone calls and press 1, I have their phone number. So now I can load them up into my SMS lead network and send a text message, and I'm starting to build a mobile leads list. Okay, that's where the money is. Like people say the money is in the list. The money's in the email list, but guess what? The money's in the SMS lead list, because I can tell you right here and now, text message marketing is a business. I have paid money before I learned how to do the texting myself in these platforms. There's companies that charge you to send text messages out for you. $99 up to $300 and $400 one time. Okay, I don't have to do that anymore. I own my own platform. That's the SMS Lead Network. I can send my own text messages. Guess what? Now I don't even have to buy leads. I don't have to buy phone number leads. You know why? Because I'm building my own phone number leads from this Press 1 cash system. I'm going to be having my own leads, and I know they're fresh because they came from my marketing. Okay, so that's what you want to do. All right, so I'll put the link below for all 3 of those: Instant Cash Solution, Learn Classified Ad Marketing, Press 1 Cash Marketing System, and the SMS phone leads. Okay, and again, I am still using SMS Lead Network. I'll put that for you below. I'm still using SMS phone leads, guys. It's not going away, because I send 200 messages a day out to those people for this system. Okay? So it all goes hand in hand. Okay? It's about consistency. You having the right product, then you got to have the right tools and systems, and then you got to be consistent with it all. All right, so we'll put the link below for those. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and like the video, and go ahead and click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, I'll see you guys on the inside. Okay, you guys have a blessed day.